In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up locations for Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and which fields matter so you can keep your branches, warehouses, or offices neatly organized inside your account. First, head to the Settings area by clicking the gear icon at the top right of your Zoho Books screen. This opens all your configuration options in one place. From here, choose Locations. If you haven't used this feature before, you'll be prompted to enable it. Go ahead and turn it on. Enabling locations lets you tag your transactions, contacts, and reports to specific places in your business, which is especially helpful for multi-branch operations and clearer reporting. Once enabled, you'll see your locations page. If you've already set up a few, they'll be listed here. If not, it'll be empty and ready for your first entry. At the top right, click Add Location to set up a new one. If you need to make changes to an existing location instead, just click on its name to open its details and edit it. In the editing screen, start by entering a clear, recognizable name. Think in terms of what your team will immediately understand, like downtown store or main warehouse. If your business uses a hierarchy, select a parent location to group related sites under one umbrella. This is helpful when you want to roll up data by region or division. Next, fill in the address. This can appear on invoices, purchase orders, or other documents, so make sure the details are accurate and complete. Add a URL if you want to include a website or internal page that's relevant to that location. Enter the contact information for whoever is responsible there, such as a front desk or branch manager, so your team knows who to reach out to when needed. You'll also see options for location access. Use this to control who in your organization can view or transact against this location. Restricting access helps prevent mistakes and keeps your records clean. Only grant access to the users or roles that actually need it. After you've made your changes, click Save. That's it. Your location is now part of your Zoho Books setup. You can repeat the same process to add more locations, or return to the list anytime to adjust names, hierarchies, or access as your business evolves. Quick recap. Open Settings with the gear icon. Select Locations, enable it, view your list, add or edit a location, fill in the name, parent location, address, URL, contact info, and access, then save. And there you go. That's all you need to set up locations in Zoho Books.